And for challenges is a value that I experiment in my daily activities at Hutchinson. You have the possibility to take on challenges and to make innovations possible.
Human!
In high spirit, because if we believe that we can win, we will win, always. So what we believe, we do. We make it possible.
Hands-on performance.
Human, because we stand together. Everyone can make the difference.
Hutchinson Values team members with high spirit and those who hunt for challenges. Our employees carve the path to create solutions.
Human, because the people of Hutchinson is the reason why I care so much about my job.
And for challenges,
In high spirit,
Human,
Hands-on performance.